Are you struggling to format dates in your Angular project? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to customize the date format in Angular Material's Datepicker. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when the date format doesn't match your expectations. You want it to look clean and professional, like May 29, 2017, but instead, you see 29/5/2017. This is a common issue many developers face. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to format the selected date in the input box of their Angular Material Datepicker. They provided some sample code, but the date format they tried using isn't working as expected. Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The Angular Material Datepicker has a default date format, and sometimes it doesn't align with what we want. Understanding how to customize this format is key to making your application user-friendly. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to format your dates, but also gain insights into best practices for using Angular Material components. To format the selected date in the input box, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct date format option in the Datepicker component. The user can set the date format to a more readable style. Next, the user should check if the date format is being applied correctly. This can be done by ensuring that the date format is set in the right place within the component's template. If the date format is still not working, the user should consider using a date adapter. Angular Material provides a way to customize date formats through a date adapter service. Finally, the user can test the implementation by selecting a date from the Datepicker and checking if it displays in the desired format in the input box. Fun fact, did you know that the way we format dates can vary significantly across cultures? In some places, they write the day first, while in others, the month comes first. It's always good to keep your audience in mind. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach shared by a user is that currently, you cannot easily set the date format in Angular Material Datepicker. The API does not provide a direct property for this. Instead, they suggest implementing your own date adapter. The official documentation lacks guidance on this, and only one basic implementation exists, which formats dates based on locale. Users have expressed the need for more adapters, and while waiting for an official solution, you can try using a moment.js-based adapter. Additionally, you can adjust the locale settings to achieve different date formats in the Datepicker. This is a temporary workaround until a proper solution is available. For example, you can set the locale to German for a dd.mmyyy format by using the following code in your app module. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using module providers to set the date format. They recommend adding a provider for locale ID in your app module, using navigator.language to automatically detect the user's language settings. Here's a pro tip. Always test your date formats in different scenarios. This will help you catch any issues early and ensure a smooth user experience. And there you have it. You should now be able to format dates in your Angular Material Datepicker just the way you want. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Angular development.